For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Sushant Singh Rajput case is one of the most complex celebrity deaths so far. Many big names have been dragged into the case. Many angles have been linked to the actor's untimely death. One of the most speculated angle is his ex-manager Disha Salian's suicide. Many are claiming that both the cases are interconnected. While the Maharashtra government has claimed to be non-cooperative in the case, politicians like BJP MP Subramanian Swamy have taken particular interest to find out the truth. As the investigation has intensified, various names including MP Aditya Thakrae's name was speculated. Many reports suggested that Aditya Thakre and Disha Salian were in the same party on the night of Disha's death. But Subramanian Swamy, who has been questioning various aspects of the case and investigation, has said that Aditya Thakre cannot be a murderer. In fact, the politician thinks that there is someone more powerful involved in the case who is trying to scare Uddhav Thackeray by dragging his son into the case.
With the evidence I have collected, it is evident that someone is trying to scare the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray by dragging his son Aditya Thackeray's name. But I can tell you, from whatever material I have, his son may be having flings with actresses, but he has nothing to do with Sushant's death.
In a recent interview, Swamy alleged that the person who is involved in the case is probably the son of an influential person who he is not in a position to name, as he does not have enough evidence. BJP MP also claimed that the evidence against that son, who is so powerful that he can influence the system, will be out soon. Subramanian Swamy has even appointed advocate Ishakran Singh to follow the investigation in the case. The politician has been constantly asking various questions that can lead the investigation to evidence against the culprits. In a recent tweet, Swamy questioned what was the need of having 2 ambulances near Sushant Singh's house after his death.
Why were 2 ambulances? Who called them? If I don't get truthful answers, we may get a clue why Sushant Singh Rajput loyal servant Samuel is missing. Is he alive or dead? Was one ambulance intended for him?
Even in the past, Swamy had questioned about the claims of the ambulance attendant who said Sushant's legs were twisted at the time of his death.
CBI will find it worthwhile to grill the Dr. R.C. Cooper Municipal Hospital, the 5 doctors who did the autopsy. According to the ambulance staff that took SSR's body to the hospital, SSR's feet was twisted below his ankle, as if it was broken. Case is unraveling.
According to Swamy, it is not just CBI who should investigate the case, but also the NIA should investigate the issue, as the politician thinks underworld Don Dawood also has a role to play. Well, SSR's case is getting murkier with each passing day, and his family and fans are only wishing to get justice for the actor at the earliest.